Now that we have added the getHandler method for the index page inside book list, it's time to add some UI. Here, the first thing we'll do is we'll go to Solution Explorer and we'll go to our master page, which is _ layout. We have home and privacy. Let me add a book tab in place of privacy. And for that, we have to change the ASP page. So for that, rather than privacy, we will have book list /index. And if you save this, let's run our application. Once you click on this, it should load the index page. In order to see the difference, you have to go here and let me type index book, save this, and let's click on the book. Perfect, you can see the page is loaded. So with this, you can see inside _ layout how you had to manipulate the routing for the ASP page tag helpers. If you want to access something inside the book list, you have to write the book list name followed by the page that we have, which is the index page. Then we can keep this application running. We can go to index and we'll design this. So we'll just remove this. Let me add BR. Then let me just remove this index and we'll start designing this page. We also do not need the view data. We can remove that. We'll add a BR and we'll add a div, give it a class of container. These are the bootstrap classes, row, padding 0 and margin 0. Within this first container, I'll add a div, give it a class of column 10. And I'll also add another div, give it a class of column 2. If you are not familiar with Bootstrap, Bootstrap divides a row into 12 equal columns. So that's why I'm dividing one column inside two separate columns. First will occupy 10 columns and the next one will be the rest 2 columns. Inside here, I'll use h2, give it a Bootstrap class of text info for a bluish color, and we'll display book list. In here, we will add an anchor tag and we'll give it a class of btn, btn info, and form control. These are all Bootstrap classes and we'll say create new book. Let's save this. Let's go back and refresh the page. Perfect, this is coming along good. Let me increase the size here so we can do column 3 and we'll have to make it column 9. Perfect, this is good. We'll just make it text white here. So right here we can do text white. Okay, this looks good. Now what we want to do is we want to display a table with all of the books. Let's continue working on the designing in the next video.